Okay, first of all, we can use the rectangle. Click from this position until the another position in here. Then we can add more plane in here, and we can also add more plane in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, now we can add more plane in here. Okay, we can erase additional line in here and also add more plane in here. Okay, then we can push it up around 5 meter or 6 meter. We can triple click, make group. Okay, now we can click this surface and then we can make the roof. We can click the surface and make the roof with using this grid hip roof from face. This is the extension is about the 1001 bit tools in here, and we can select the roof. Okay, then we can create hip roof in here. Okay, then now we can set the roof overhang in here. It's 1 meter in here. Okay, this is a roof overhang. Then this is roof pitch. We can set the 30 degree, or maybe we can set a 35 degree like this. Okay, now we can click the create hip roof in here. We can just white. Okay, and this is the result of the creating hip roof. Okay, then we can now we can create the roofing materials with using this one. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so this is before creating the roof, and this is after creating the roof. It's very easy, simple, but it's so perfect in here. Okay, and maybe we can change the style. Okay, we can change the style with using the blue style or another style like this. Another style like this, but I think it's enough. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join this channel subscription, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.